Hello. I'm back again. Being back again. Today, I'm gonna eat a cow. It is a brown cow with dark brown ears. Look, I am the cow. Ooh. The cow is my head. Ooh. And I go eat this because it's very tasty. It is a very tasty. Okay, here I go. It is going down my throat, so I go into my digestive system, so it go down, go through my tasty and other tasty. It go